So me and the fam, we still want to wish Dad a happy birthday. Even though we're gonna have the big cake for the party, but we gonna have we want to go ahead and do our little small cupcakes before the party. Cause once I start drinking, it's over for y'all. So I'm not gonna be eating nothing. You know what I'm saying? Until after I drink. Yep. Okay. So we got the chocolate cupcakes because we won. So more chocolate cakes with streets, chocolate icing and sprinkles from the bakery at my local, yes, local store in the project. You right. And I finally got in contact with my son that I've been looking for a while, but being busy. Okay. So I'm gonna do on this side. He wanted a yellow candle. Okay. So come on, Dad. Okay. Mhm. It's gonna be my dinner. Until tonight. So, yep. Let's eat it together. Our strawberries went bad, y'all. Like off of the movie. Okay, remember Nightmare on Elm Street with Greta. Mhm. Yeah. Yep. Tastes like them. Okay, good. They sure have our people faces on their faces. Like I don't know who they be. Yeah, she out. Cause people are used to me doing that. What's that really do though? That's how you got in contact with me. We talking 16. And I contacted them again at the end of friendly beginning of 2021 and never got nothing back. Thank you. But the real family that he was adopted into, thank y'all. Okay? He do. It's not nasty, y'all. Okay? I love cupcakes. So yeah. That's all I want to do for that. I put this in the beginning. If I remember, I put them video in the description. Wait for the chicken, y'all. Got real minutes on it, okay? So I'll show y'all how it look after the fries done, though. I'm gonna show you the fries, okay? So y'all, what I'm cooking for Dad's birthday at home before the party is chicken wings, but I'm losing Caribbean jerk seasoning, okay? So my first time frying jerk chicken. That's for everybody though. My mama is from the Caribbean, so yeah, that we finna have, but I'm finna cut the chicken offline though. So come back when I'm finna cook it. Be back. Okay, y'all, I already washed my chicken, fried it, okay? So I let my oil heat up. I'm just gonna season it with black pepper because a friend of mine's, which his wife wanted me to go ahead and just put it in there, told me how. Not like that, cause I usually don't read my seasoning. I'm gonna start doing that from now on, especially since I got this jerk seasoning, and people say it is spicy, but I just read the back of it. It don't sound spicy, so I'm gonna still put some black pepper on this, like she said. So I might bake them too after I fry them, like I did the lemon peppers. And yes, yep. I'm gonna put that song in too. She like that song. Yeah, about 3 years. So, before I'm gonna read this like you say, this has spices including thyme, coriander, allspice, salt, corn, macetogen, brown sugar, red pepper, caramel color, citric acid, and stuffing agents. Okay, so I'm gonna put some black pepper on it. Okay, even though my Creole got all that too. No, I did not, y'all. My Creole got salt, red pepper, black pepper, chili powder, spices, salt, garlic powder, dehydrated garlic, silicone desicide, anti-caking agent, manufactured on equipment that loses milk, soil, and wheat. See, I didn't know that. So I'm just gonna lose black pepper. Okay? Cause they didn't say black pepper on that. You hear me? I couldn't cut this one apart. So the bone was already out. But oh well. We're gonna be his home cooked meal. You're not sure? Hey. That is Aaliyah. Okay. And this is Davon. Okay. He hyper. I think he got ADHD or something. He just got out of the hospital though. Cause whoever kidnapped him gave him spoiled milk from a dead body. I guess she thought it was me or something. I don't know. And of course, you know Junior. Well, they gave him the name Diaz, but I'm gonna change it to Bobby Junior. Like his dad real name was Bobby, so might as well name him Bobby Junior. I don't really like Diaz. Well, you know, I didn't say all that. I'm just saying that's what they gonna think, you know. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it in the flour. Okay. 21 pieces. Yay. Okay. Y'all gonna see? I'm gonna put it up there though. Okay. Just flour it up. Okay. This is how the first batch came out. Okay, I'm gonna do this seasoning. Okay, my own little twist on it. I did see somebody on YouTube is gonna help. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how. Okay, I'm put a little bit of water in it. See, my idea, a little bit of water. Okay, it smells good. Okay, I got this that wild more, y'all. I'm gonna put both of them in here. Smell like some stuff you get at the stripper shop. A little more water. Now, my friend on YouTube said put some ketchup in it. Okay. We're gonna see. I will put some barbecue sauce on it too. Barbecue sauce. Yeah, I am too. Yep, you gotta put it in the oven. ain't as good, y'all. People getting mad and walk out like, oh, well, it's not for you, my dad. So, we think that. I am gonna put a little bit more barbecue sauce in it and ketchup. Okay, y'all. Look at my wall. Just a little bit, okay. It look like that color though, y'all be losing on the grilled chicken. See, there y'all go. See y'all? Okay. And me, okay. So I'm just gonna let it simmer a little bit. Okay. Yeah, my chicken sound like it's ready. Don't need no seasoning because I taste the seasoning. So y'all take the last 5 chicken wings out. And we want to share happy birthday. Get the cupcake first, okay? I'm gonna keep my oven on because I'm gonna put these fries in here. I'm gonna do the rest of these sunny fries. Thank you, son. Yeah, shake me on something with your food. Yeah, you do. So yeah. I'm gonna let them cook right quick. Okay. And I'm gonna do the seasoning French fries that they have at Taco Bell. I'm gonna show y'all getting the napkin out off of it. Okay, that's the oil. Now I'm going to turn this off and put a little bit of this on here. You see? Okay. And I'm gonna shake it up. show you how it looks before I put it in the oven. Okay, oven it go. And I got a little bit in the bottom, so I'm gonna put some on the top, you know how I do. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna put on some more spots that I see. I'm gonna do for 25 minutes. Okay. Let me show y'all again. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. The fries, Sunny Get Taco Bell fries. But this how they came out, y'all. So, okay, chicken leg, it's gonna go right. Enjoy.